Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently Wednesday, March 1st. I have a lot going on today. It's my 10 hours, so working from 7:30 to supposedly I'm supposed to be working 7:30 to 6, but I'm leaving early because I am going to a Miami Heat game, which is the first time. I've been here since 2018 and I've never been, so I'm pretty excited. I'm going with a coworker. We're going afterwards. We're getting off early, so the game I think starts like around 7:30, so we're gonna go to happy hour, have a few drinks before the game, and then we will go from there. So I'm super excited, and yeah, so I'm gonna start heading out now. It's almost time, and I guess I will see you guys at the hospital. So let's get to it.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown, a crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights we'll keep and trust.
Alright guys, so I am currently off today. It's been a few days since the last post or last clip you guys see. I'm gonna work out, come home, clean up a bit, reset so I can get ready for work tomorrow. I actually picked up an extra shift, so I'll be working Wednesday through Friday, and then I am off for the weekend. So it's going to be a good day today. I also need to throw away some old furnitures that I no longer use because I also have a new desk setup. Let me show you guys. This is my new desk setup. I wanted something new, something that matches my apartment decor, as you say, that I'm trying to go for. Light, white, gold. So this desk also goes up and down. You see the little black panel right there. It goes up and down. I'm going to show you guys, but I'm going to be studying again, and I kind of want my desk setup to be comfy, and I also wanted more cabinet space, so that's why I got that cabinet right there. So my old desk, I used to have this desk, I mean the chair, and it was very uncomfortable, and this little, I guess, cubby that held my printer. It had one drawer and then at the bottom, but it just wasn't enough, you know, storage that I can keep my folders and stuff like that. So I do plan on getting the desk mount, so that way the mount can attach to the desk and then my monitor just floats, but that'll probably be my next paycheck. I'll put every information about my desk in my description box. I have a list going on my Amazon. It's not an Amazon storefront, I'm not there yet, but everything I mentioned in my previous videos that I got from Amazon is in that list. So let me show you guys how it looks when it goes up and down. It makes like that little rump like noise when it goes up and down, but it's not like super loud, which is what I like. So I thought I want to show you guys that. And the little filing cabinet system I really like, because I do have old paperwork or important documents that I just want to file away, because I had it on a little, like I had it on this, and like my folders were there. I got it from Target, but I kind of wanted something else more private and put away, tucked away kind of a thing. So I got that, and I honestly love it. I really, really do love the whole system. I am planning to, well, I will be more comfortable studying, and then I do sit at my desk a while when it comes to like editing and stuff like that. So I figured I also need to invest in like a good, not super expensive, you know, desk chair, but that I really like that one as well. So again, if you guys are interested in those in my desk or my office setup, again, not sponsor or anything, it's just something that I purchased on my own. I have my Amazon list linked below. So I will check in with you guys probably at the gym. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym. It was actually pretty crowded. It was really crowded than usual compared to the time that I went. So I just focused on cardio today, and then hopefully tomorrow morning I'm just gonna hit an early morning workout before I head to work. But before I shower, I'm just gonna let myself cool off a bit, making myself some lunch. I'm making this turkey burger that I got from Trader Joe's. I always get this sometimes. I eat it with my salads. Or I just make like a burger. I have cheese in the fridge and buns. And then I saw this thing called the pantry potatoes. So I'm gonna also have this with my burger as well. I was gonna stop by Publix to get yogurt, but traffic was pretty terrible because of construction on the road that I normally go home to. So honestly, I was just over it. I just wanted to get home and eat. So, and then I put some rosemary water on my hair just to like massage the scalp. I made it myself. I have like a whole jar. So I'm trying this new hair treatment thing that I seen on TikTok, that if you put rosemary water, it can help promote, you know, good scalp hair growth, because I have hair thinning that is going on and I want to correct it, along with eating like the right veggies, vitamins, and all that stuff. So after I eat, I'm gonna shower, study. So let's get to it.